What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here sliding, getting it in, man. We're about to go ahead and head to the shop right now. We've been having a lot going on, man. I've been trying to get some stuff in life done and accomplished because it's some real stuff on the line I have to really take care of. But we back in action, man. It's time to go up. We got that 2021 Roadglide back with the owner. We not 100% done, but he back riding for the meantime. Between time, we're gonna keep getting these other bikes done, so when he come back around, we'll be good to go so he can get that paint finished off. Like I said, this is one of the last days we having a $50 sale for the 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado with all the goodies and gadgets. On top of that, paired together with our 2019 Roadglide special coming from Texas right now, man. That thing is going to be on the way. As soon as it touches down, you already know we doing the paint, powder coat, feet, everything in between, man. So if you want to enter to win that thing, you already know, copy you a red Kicks by Dre cap in the description below, man. But the thing is, you got to get it while it's on sale for 50. Once it's over with it back to 100, it's over with, man. So like I said, take advantage of the sale, man. We are going to get it done as soon as possible, man. We trying to get sliding. I'm trying to get to the new headquarters, man, so we can get everything in motion and going. But today, we about to head to the shop and work on that 2003 anniversary Road King and our 2015 Roadglide. The 2019, we got to get 2 more parts Antonio has been taking his precious time with, so we really need to go pop up on him and see what's good with him. When we get those 2 pieces, we can damn near basically ship off the 2019 Roadglide. So stay tuned, man. We got a long way to go, man. We got to head to St. Louis, Missouri to drop off that joint. Once the 2015 is done, we dropping that off in Sacramento, California. So just know everything is in motion. We trying to get it all done so we can be on the road, man. That's the whole thing about it. We're trying to get everything done so we can end the year with a bang, start the year off fresh, and go from there, man. So like I said, you want to enter to win the bike with the truck with the bike in the back of that thing, lift it up with all the goodies, man. You already know what to do. Go in the description below and grab you that red Kicks by Dre cap on sale. But we about to pull up on my boy BUILTBYDRE. He about to go ahead and help us out today. We got to go ahead and get some stuff done real quick. So stay tuned, man. We sliding, not hiding. You already know what's going on. We're back in the shop, man. Y'all see what's going on. We done made it back inside of the shop, man. We in this joint going up, about to get these bikes back going. So stay tuned. About to go ahead and get the Road King going. We're gonna get the 2015 on the way and get some more stuff done to this 2019. I'm trying to get all these bikes rolling and damn near done because in the next few weeks, about to have a huge transition. I gotta be ready for it every way and aspect. So it's time to get everything on the road, get everything going so we can be sliding, not hiding, man. Have these bikes complete on the road as they should be, man. So we're about to get it going. We're gonna start with the 2015. We took apart the fender and everything because I thought I had a wire harness problem, but I figured it out, got that solved. So now before I get back into that, I'm gonna go ahead and close the primary up, put the new gasket with the new primary. You already know we brought 1 wrong gasket because they gave me the wrong one. So now we got the right one. It's time to put it on and get it going, man. We got fluid everywhere. Every time I come in here, I'm wiping it up. So I'm about to get everything going, put the cam cover on for the cam cover, have that. That way we could go ahead and do that. Put the exhaust on, complete the swing arm, the rear mount, the shocks, everything on there. So I think it'll be damn near a roller today on the road, man. That's the real goal for that thing. So if we can do that, we can pull it off. That's the goal, man. So we're about to go ahead and get to that and make it happen. So stay tuned and make sure I enter the win for that 2019 Roadglide paired together with our Lifted 2015 Silverado with all the goodies, sliding, not hiding, man. This is your opportunity right now. You already know. Go in the description below on BuiltByDre.BigCartel. Get you a red Kicks by Dre cap. That 1 cap is going to be your 1 entry to win, man. You already know what time it is. They going fast, so get it while you can on sale for 50 hots, man. Because after that, it's back to 100, man. We slide though, man. Y'all see what's going on. So, excuse my food. Get this out the way. We got our primary. Got 2 gaskets. The one on top is the right one. Then we got our black powder coated primary. We're about to go ahead and put that onto here. We're gonna go ahead and get that primary on there, get that closed up, put the primary on, shifters on there. We're gonna go ahead and put the cam cover on this side, put the rear swing arm, put the swing arm on there with the mounts and everything. So we're gonna get this thing a roller today. That's the goal, man. We gotta get this thing a roller so we can have this thing on the way today. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting it in, sliding. So when you look at this primary, you will automatically think either one of these are fine, but I promise y'all, these are 2 different gaskets. I'm gonna try to give y'all a quick example right here so y'all can see why this other one didn't work. Now, boom. Now you can already see right there, boom. The top is separated and then the front right there. I'm not sure which one the other one go for, but I believe this one on top right here is the right one. Get that up on there, and then Yes, sir. This is the correct one. That other one I tried, I was so mad. Y'all don't even know. I was so determined that day to get everything done. I was like, damn, that kind of had discouraged me. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just wait. But we got it going. So it's time to get this thing on the road. I know this bike has been sitting, but I've been having a lot going on. Y'all not going to understand right now, but in the next few weeks, man, y'all gonna be like, okay, I understand. But without further ado, we about to get to it, man. We got to get this thing on the road with the rest of these joints, man. So let's get back to it. I'm over here unbolting the cam cover and I literally forgot all about this bike. Like, y'all know your boy is still getting there. We're doing everything, but y'all see this one came with a built motor already. I'm assuming just from the actual cam plate, the SNS right there. But that's crazy. I forgot all about that. Now that everything is all red, it really stands out with that blue right there. But we're looking good. We got it going. We got the gas tank up on there with the black powder coated console. I love that. It makes it stand out that much. You can't really see because of the lightning, but it looks good, man. We got everything over here blacked out. We got black console, the gas tank red, black shifter, black primary, black horn. Everything is coming together, man. We're about to finish getting everything back assembled 100%. So about to put this cam cover on there with the new gasket we got right there. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We getting to it, y'all. My boy BUILTBYDRE just pulled up, man.
Happy meal, man.
Hey, this homie is a fool.
Ain't no happy meal though, man.
Hey, the homie is a fool. Got the tools. That's for sure. Yes, sir. We're leaving from the shop, man. We about to go ahead and go get my man's Ace. I gotta go to the house and handle some stuff, so stay tuned, man. I'm gonna have some more stuff getting done for the day, but we gotta focus on what matters, man. We got priorities to take care of, so that's what we focus on, what we doing, man. But make sure I enter the win for that 2015 Lifted Silverado up here together with that 2019 Roadglide special, man. You already know what's going on. I think it's about to be nice, equipped and dipped with all the drip, baby. So get in to win that joint while you can, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all.